in the house of one of the residents here, and they were robbing one of the tenants here. Officers responded very, very swiftly, and when they reached this place, those robbers fired on them, and an exchange of fire ensued. That led to one of the robbers fatally being injured. There were 6 in number, armed, and they had started dropping the victim, who is a family. At that moment, they had already taken their phones. They had already started transferring money from the bank to the M-Pesa, but they were not successful. The swift action of our officers deterred them from carrying out their heinous act. In that process, we were able to recover the phones which had already been stolen, a laptop, a jacket, and recovered the firearm, an improvised firearm, Jericho firearm, which they were using to commit the crime. The improvised firearm is capable of firing, which they used to engage our officers. I want to appreciate the member of the public who gave us the report, who alerted our officers who were on patrol, who responded very, very swiftly, and were in a position to calm down one of them, as well as stop them from robbing this. We suspect the other robbers who managed to escape. They escaped with bullet injuries, and we want to ask any hospital who suspect any patient with gunshot wounds to report to police.